In this video, I will be showing you how to fix text overflow issues in Gamma AI slides. Let's get started. I'll start by opening my project, which in this case is a tech influencer media kit. Right away, you can see that the title text is far too large and is overflowing its container, making the layout look messy. To fix this manually, I'll click directly into the text area to bring up the formatting toolbar. I'll open the display menu and change the style from title to heading 1. This immediately scales the text down so it fits within the card's boundaries much more naturally. To refine the content even further, I can use the AI tool. I'll click the Edit with Agent icon and type a prompt to make the text more concise. After sending that request, the AI agent offers a few different approaches. I'm going to select the third option, which condenses both the headers and the descriptions for a cleaner look. While the AI is processing, I'll wait a few seconds for it to suggest the new layout. Now, I can review the side-by-side comparison of the original versus the modified version. The new text is much more balanced and professional, so I'll click to apply these changes back to the card. Finally, I'll take a quick scroll through the rest of the presentation to ensure that all the elements are properly aligned and easy to read. Everything looks great and fits the layout perfectly now. And there you have it. That's the complete process of fixing text overflow issues in Gamma AI slides.